check your chat box? Can you see that? There are 9 sentences and you have to complete the sentences. Okay?
Do I have to read the sentence, sir?
Yeah, I'm planning to do like 3 sentences here in this session, and the rest 6. Yeah, the rest 6 you can do as your homework. It sounds good, right?
Sir, I have learned them, and without watching, I have to tell.
These are not the complete sentences. Like you have to start your sentence with the words given, like the phrase and number 1, next year I'm going to, then you have to complete it. Whatever you want to add, you can add in this sentence and you have to complete it. This. Do you get it? Okay. For example, I will help you with the first one. You can say, next year I'm going to buy new clothes for myself. Next year, I'm going to buy new clothes for myself. Or you can say, next year, I'm going to visit Kashmir. Or next year, I'm going to take admission in a different school. It can be anything. Okay? So,
Sir, can I answer the second? Next
weekend, I'm going to
the mall. To the mall.
Yeah, that's right. It's correct. Like you can make anything. Like it can be going to a mall, it can be going to play some sort of game, or it can be like, you know, if you are going to visit to some tourist place, it can be anything. Anyways, okay. How about the third one? Next month I will.
Next month I will go to another city.
That's right. Next month I will go to another city. Okay. How about the fourth one? Next week I will.
Next week I will go next week I will go to my grandmother's house.
That is correct. And tomorrow I am doing what?
Tomorrow I am doing nothing. Tomorrow is a boring day.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm doing. It should be I'm going. Okay, there is a little correction. Instead of doing, it should be going. So yeah, make a sentence with going. Tomorrow I'm going.
Tomorrow I am going to the fair.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea. Could I tag along with you? You know what it means? Like tagging along. When someone is going to, like someone is asking you to accompany, to go with you. So it's a kind of slang we use. Okay? So next Tuesday, I will learn.
Next Tuesday, I will learn maths or English or Hindi or Marathi, anything, any subject.
That's right. You can take the name of subject, and you can also say, learning some game or some instrument, a musical instrument. Like next Tuesday, I will learn how to play a piano or how to drive a bike. Although you seem to be under this in order to learn how to ride a bike. Anyways, so okay, the rest 3 sentences that you can include these 3 along with the homework which you are yet to do. Okay?
Okay, sir, I will do the homework. I have to write from start, sir, or 7, 8, 9.
Oh, just the last 3, 7, 8, 9. And you have to complete the 10 sentences, which I told you in the yesterday's session.
Yes,
okay?
I will.
So those 10 sentences plus these 3 sentences. You got 13 sentences now. And make sure you complete it.
Okay, sir. Complete.
Yeah.
My house.
Anyways, do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. I have no question for you.
All right. So time to wind it up. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for having me, and
Sir?
wish you a very happy Diwali in advance.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I want to ask
Okay.
how many what? How
Yeah,
many
please go ahead.
how many people do there are 6 members in my family, and how many members are in your family?
Okay, let me count. If you are talking about the number of people living here in the home right now, then it's 4. But if I count the extended family members, so it will be like my grandma, 1, 3, wait, 5. Like my grandma, my father, my mother, my elder brother, and me.
9. In my village,
Mhm.
there are so many who go to count. My
Okay, I'm
grandma.
not counting the uncles because they are the part of extended family. I'm counting the direct blood relatives. So it will be like my grandmother, then my father, then my siblings.
In my village, there are I have and I don't know. There are so many members.
Okay, there will be too many. You cannot count. Like every random person will be your uncle or your auntie. So, yeah.
I have 3
Okay, how
counties
about in your home right now? How many members there are?
right now.
Yeah, right now. 6.
4. Me and my 3 sisters and my mother and father.
Okay, so in case someone asks you about like how many members do you have in your family, so most of the time you just need to tell the people you are living with, okay, which includes your parents, and in case your grandparents are living with you, then you can count them as well, and your siblings. Yeah, that's it.
Then.
Okay. Well, time to go. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Make sure you complete the homework. Don't forget it, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to complain to your father.
Okay, sir. I'll complete the homework.
Right. Okay, so see ya. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.